Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're liking my videos so far. Today's video is sponsored by Living Proof. I love Living Proof products and I have been obsessed with their curly hair line. Their curly hair products are so good. When I tell you that my curls bounce back right away when I use these products from Living Proof, they bounce back right away in the shower. I'll get more into it in a little bit, but in today's video I'm actually going to use the Shark diffuser as well. So this is the first time that I post a video about this diffuser on my channel. I've used it before, but I haven't posted a video about it yet on my channel, so this is the first video that I'm going to be posting. This diffuser is so different. It has these little claws, I guess, that go in and out. Today I'm going to show you guys how I use this, and I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion on this hair tool as well. But first I'm going to show you guys and talk about the products that I use to style my hair before I dry it with my diffuser. So I use the Living Proof curly hair line today. In the shower, I use the shampoo and conditioner, and I'm going to be using some of their defining products in a little bit. Every time I put heat on my hair and I want my curls to bounce back after my hair has been straight for a couple of days, I use the Living Proof shampoo and conditioner in the shower, and in the shower I can already see my curls bouncing back right away. It's crazy how moisturizing these products are and how good they are. So definitely check them out. I use the shampoo first in the shower, and this is good for waves, curls, and coils, so you can use this on all those hair types. You will see right now that this shampoo is a little bit different than other shampoos. This is like a creamy, low lather shampoo, and it is the first step for healthy curls. This doesn't lather too much, but I kind of like that because instead it's just very moisturizing. I like to use a good amount of these products because it just looks super cool on video, but honestly a little bit goes such a long way. Like, these 2 bottles will last you so long. I also noticed that over time when I use the shampoo and conditioner, my hair just looks and feels a lot stronger. So I like to use these when I am going to leave my hair natural, but you can even use these when you're going to blow it out or if you want to put heat on your hair, because these just make your curls a lot stronger over time. I've been using these products for a couple months now, and I definitely noticed that my hair just is a lot stronger when I am going to blow it out or if I'm just gonna leave it natural. Like, the curls just look a lot more full, a lot more strong, bouncy, and yeah, I'm a big fan of the shampoo and conditioner from the Living Proof curly hair line. After the shampoo, I use the conditioner in the shower, and I like that my hair becomes so easy to detangle with that conditioner. And a little trick that I like to do is just add a little bit more of the conditioner on all my hair and let it sit for about 5 minutes in the shower, and then I'll kind of like detangle my hair in the shower, and it kind of acts as a mini mask, a quick mask in the shower. And you guys will see in the video that my curls are super bouncy in the shower. So if my curls are bouncy in the shower, my curls will most likely be very bouncy when I style them and for the whole day. So yeah, definitely a good curly hair routine starts in the shower, and you need to check these out. If you have curly hair, coily hair, wavy hair, you will like these products from Living Proof. I promise you, they are so good. So my hair did dry a little bit. I mean, it's pretty wet, but I want it to be more wet, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. A lot of you guys asked me where I got this bottle from. I think I got it from Amazon, so I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna add a little bit of this curl definer, and as you can see, this is kind of like a cream. You know, it's not really like a gel. It's definitely more of like a styling cream, and this is going to definitely define those curls, and this is also going to give you kind of like a soft curl, natural curl look, which I am a huge fan of. Since I'm already on this bottom section, I'm just going to go in with the curl defining gel as well. So I'm going to add a little bit of that to the bottom section. As you can see, this is definitely, you know, like a gel. It's just going to give you some hold. So just adding that to the bottom section of my hair. Even the gel is like very nice and kind of like it has a slip to it a little bit. It's not like sticky, which I like. So it's not gonna give you like a crunchy curl, which I don't really like crunchy curls. I like my curls to look very soft, very natural, but very defined. And these products do exactly that. I'm actually gonna define my curls a little bit with a brush. And this also helps to spread the product evenly. So as I scrunch my hair, you can definitely see how the curls are coming back. I'm so excited. But I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the Living Proof hair quiz. You guys need to take that quiz online. It is so easy. It'll take you like 2 minutes to do. And it's going to match you to the perfect hair products for you. So for me, since I have very curly hair, it matched me to the curly hair line, specifically the shampoo and conditioner, and it actually matched me to the curl definer and the curl defining gel. But yeah, it's very easy to do. It's gonna ask you some questions, like let's start with your routine. After you wash your hair, you tend to use hair tools, you tend to blow dry your hair, air dry your hair. You put what type of hair texture you have, straight, wavy, curly, coily. Your hair density is fine, medium, thick. I have more of like thick hair. And then you also put your hair concerns, like if you have an oily scalp, if you have a dry scalp, if you tend to get frizz. So it's very easy to do this quiz if you just want to make sure that you're picking out the right products for your hair type and your concerns. So definitely check it out. I'm gonna link that down below. It's very, very helpful. I feel like my hair journey with Living Proof has been incredible. I've been using it since like before I went to Miami, so maybe about 2-3 months now consistently whenever I curl my hair, and my curls have bounced back so much. My curls look a lot healthier. So yeah, I'm a big fan. I definitely recommend. So now I'm gonna dry my hair, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys how defined my curls look when they are wet. So that's a good sign. That means that the curls are probably gonna be very defined when they are dry. So this blow dryer retails for about $250. They have different bundles, but this one is about $230, I believe, if you just want to get the diffuser and the nozzle attachment. I like how this kind of comes out, and this is for the longer hair, like when these are out more. This is for longer hair and for reaching the roots. So if you want to kind of reach the roots a little bit more, this is gonna allow that a lot easier than this being all the way in, because the air does come out from here as well. I don't know if you can see, but it does come out from here. So if you're able to kind of make this longer to reach your roots better, then yeah, it definitely helps. So you guys will see how I use it. And then for shorter hair or for styling the ends, you can put it back in and just kind of dry it like that. So I'm gonna start by drying most of my hair. I'm gonna flip my hair. That's how I like to use my diffusers first. I like to flip my hair. I'm going to do this in the highest speed, but in the lowest heat setting, because this gets so hot, and I don't think you need this in a high heat setting if you're just going to diffuse your hair. Okay, so now I'm going to make these long, and I'm going to kind of lift my roots a little bit. That's what I like about this diffuser, that you're able to really get in there in the roots, and you're able to just bring it up, dry a little bit, and give yourself some volume. So I'm going to do that right now. So as you can see, I definitely got some volume up here. I'm gonna fix it a little bit later and like shake things up a little bit once my hair is more dry. But I really wanted to give my roots a little bit of volume, and I love that you're able to kind of adjust this. So yeah, love it. Now I'm gonna put it back down, and I'm gonna just focus on the ends and just overall dry everything a little bit more, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so my hair is all dry. This dried my hair super quickly, by the way, and I love the amount of volume that I got. So I'm going to use this oil for the last step. So this is the Living Proof Curl Moisturizing Shine Oil, and this is probably like one of my favorite oils for my curls, just to use on my natural curls. As you can see, it's like a little bit thicker, which I really like for curly hair. So I'm going to just start from the bottom and shake my hair up. This is definitely very important as the last step, because it just kind of makes your hair look a lot more natural, just shaking things up a little bit. Of course, it's up to you, whatever you decide to do to your hair, but I just like to shake up the roots a little bit and just scrunch my hair one last time. And then with whatever is left, I'll just kind of like put it on top so that it looks very nice and like smooth. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I love how my hair turned out. I love how much volume I got. I love how my curls are so defined. Even on this side, this is my least curlier side, and I really like how this side looks as well. I just feel like these products make my curls bounce back right away, and I love using them. So yeah guys, definitely check out the Living Proof products that I'm going to be linking down below. Also, if you like the diffuser, I am going to link this down below. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to take the Living Proof hair quiz online if you are not sure on what products to get, so that it can kind of like help you decide on which products are the best for you, for your hair type, your concerns. So yeah, definitely check it out. It's so easy to do and it'll take you like 2 minutes. And also, one last thing, I actually applied to be a part of the Sephora squad, and I would love it if you guys would leave a short testimonial in the link down below. It's going to be in the description box down below, so you guys can help me make it into the Sephora squad 2022. I would love to make it into the Sephora squad this year. Being a part of the Sephora squad would be a dream come true, and I know you guys can help me get there. I can't get there without your help, so please leave a short testimonial. I'm going to put the link down below in the description box. And yeah guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you again, Living Proof, for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.